Are you stuck with your health and you don't really know how to go forward? Hi, my name is Dinaz and welcome to this channel. I'm on this mission to make you a health warrior, where I'm going to teach you how to get yourself unstuck from where you are in your journey and learn to make your health as a priority. I want you to stay with me right till the end, because in this video you're going to understand that if you did not make your health a priority, what would be the consequences. Now let's take a deeper look at what would happen if you did not make your health a priority. You'd get more diseases, you'd gain more weight, people will look at you and judge you, and you will not feel really good, and your self-confidence levels will go down. And you know that these are a lot of these things that you're going through. So now let's take a deeper look at how to really and truly get out of this rut that you are looking at that you're in. The first thing that I want you to know is set yourself a goal. Write down in your notepad what you want to do in the next 3 months. Set yourself a small goal. Create that priority list, and this will get you started and get you out of the place that you are stuck in. The next thing I want you to do is reflect on the last 3 months of what are the things that you did that supported your journey, and what are the things that you did not do that did not support your journey. Now, all the things that you did not do will be the action points for you to do in the next 3 months. Let us work on this very slowly and in a very systematic manner, so that this becomes a permanent result. I don't want you to be ever stuck in your life with your health, because it's such an important thing. It is all your wealth. Your body is like your temple. You have to worship it just the way you worship your Lord or your spiritual masters. And if you can't do this alone, and if you feel you're getting stuck, don't try to be cheap on your way to good health. Invest in a good mentor. Get professional help. Professional help is not about going to a doctor. While our doctors are really good and really important in our lives, they're going to give us only solutions to control the symptoms. You need to work on a lifestyle change. And you can come to me as your mentor. You can choose anyone as your mentor. But seeking professional help in this journey and working with a coach or a mentor will push you forward in this journey. Next, I want you to educate yourself. So every single day, either you come, if you're a part of the Dinaz Fitness Community, we have like hundreds of educational videos. Pick up one video, and out of that just take one module and listen to the module. Or if you're not a member of the Dinaz Fitness Community, you can always go and watch a motivational video on health on YouTube, rather than watching reels and just entertaining yourself. By watching any motivational video, something in your subconscious mind is going to rewire, and that is going to make you more consistent in your journey, and you will not procrastinate at all. So educating yourself is very important. You know, a lot of you are trying to do this suddenly. Dinaz, I got to do it. I got to lose 20-30 kilos. While you were sleeping for the last so many years and you finally woken up, start small. Take one baby step at a time. Give yourself a whole year to transform your body and transform your mind. And I always tell you, it's not about transforming your body. If you want sustainable results, you've got to really transform your mind. So start slowly. Build up the tasks as the weeks go by and as the days go by. Learn to become your own coach, where you're documenting your whole story. One day, this story of yours can in turn go and make somebody else, can in turn go and help somebody else or motivate somebody else. And you need to track your progress. So write down what food you eat every day. Write down how many steps you got every day. Write down what kind of workouts you did every day. And look at it at the end of the day. And when you look at it at the end of the day, it gives you a sense of accomplishment. Trust me, guys, these are the things that I do on a daily basis. And that is why I've been able to sustain in this, not just this fitness field, I've been able to sustain in my health and fitness journey even now when I'm in my 50s. So when I speak to you, I've done it, been there, experienced it, and I know what's working and I know what's not working. And sometimes some of these traditional approaches might not work. Go find another route. Ask the universe, talk to the universe and tell the universe, please send me the right person to show me the right approach. Ask and you shall receive. Believe and it shall be done. The doors to really good health are opened. All you have to do is look inside and see what is in store for you. Stop being stuck in your journey. Be persistent, be consistent. By being persistent on asking for the right help, by being consistent in looking for what is going to work for you is most important. And by following just these simple things, you're going to push through your journey and you're never going to be stuck in your journey. If you really resonated with me as your mentor, and if you're new to this channel, I have an awesome masterclass for you where you can come and learn more. The link is in the description box. Just click on it and register for my masterclass. And if you are part of the Dinaz Fitness Community, just let me know in the comments below, what does coaching for health and fitness mean to you? Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.